And one of the hot areas and types of investments people at Edmonton have been searching for is what we call side-by-side duplex. So when we go back into the map, one of the big things that Edmontonians and people outside of the city have seen is when you drive here, it's prairies. We have a ton of land. And so the city has been really pushed for urban sprawl, and they're hoping for and pushing for more density within the core. So previously, you were only allowed to add basement suites to single-family residences with, typical normal zoning. But because of urban sprawl and infrastructure and the cost to the city it puts on, they've really been pushing for that densification. So over the last couple of years, they've allowed basement suites to be put in side-by-side duplexes, row housing, half duplexes, townhouses, pretty much anything where it has a side or separate entrance, you're allowed to put a basement suite in. And so that's really sparked this kind of sub-market within the Edmonton general area. And it gives an opportunity for a lot of investors to be putting in kind of like a burr-style property where they're building and putting in basement suites into a property and then refinancing it, similar to what they would do with a suite at home. So I'm just going to quickly show you one option as something that people are looking for. So this is a quick glance at the back end system of the MLS. So when we take a look here. So Edmonton, single family, and we're going to go duplex side by side. We have a couple. I'm searching anything that's pending. There's one specifically that I want to bring up. So this one is a side-by-side duplex. This one is, if we take a look at the map, similar to what we were mentioning, the West Valley Line LRT. So this one is coming through from downtown. LRT is going to be heading south. And so this property is about 3.5 blocks from the future LRT stop. This one is pending already. It's a pretty good deal, about $500,000. Has 2 suites in the basement that are non-conforming, and then 3-bedroom units on the main floor. So you get 4 doors out of one property. And out of this one, it does have definitely some good options here. So I just wanted to quickly highlight this before we transition back over to Daniel, but these are some of the options and things that we'll typically be seeing in the Edmonton market, and some of the micro markets and types of investments that a lot of people in Edmonton have been searching for. So that's